आपके साथ पराग गुप्ता। बुलेटिन में सबसे पहले आपको हिंडन एयरपोर्ट लेकर चलते हैं, जहां पर वायुसेना डे के मौके पर कार्यक्रम आयोजन किया गया है। ये तस्वीर सीधा लाइव हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं।
RKS भदौरिया परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल।
तो इंडियन एयरवेज से सीधा लाइव तस्वीर हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, जहां पर कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए गए हैं। 88वां स्थापना दिवस है वायुसेना का आज, और आज दुनिया भारत की आसमानी ताकत देख रही है। हिंडन एयरवेज से सीधा लाइव तस्वीर।
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the ensign formation.
ये सीधा लाइव तस्वीरें किस तरह से आसमान में ये विमान करतब दिखाते हुए भारत की ताकत का एहसास करा रही हैं, और जो वायुवीर हैं भारत के, भारतीय सेना के, वो अपना पराक्रम आज इस मौके पर दिखाते हुए।
Chief of the Air Staff, accompanied by the parade commander, is now proceeding to inspect the parade. Chief of the Air Staff has issued the special order of the day, and I quote, "On the occasion of the 88th anniversary of the Indian Air Force, I extend my felicitations to all air warriors, NCV, DSC personnel, civilians and their families. My special greetings to our esteemed air veterans and their families. In the past year, we have witnessed contingencies as varied as the COVID-19 pandemic to the military face-off along the LAC. The prompt response by our transport and helicopter fleets in providing 24/7 support for COVID-19 tasks was highly praiseworthy. Our squadrons and units remain on high alert in order to suitably address any adverse situation along our northern borders. We have fulfilled our operational charter while undertaking all pre-planned and urgent air maintenance efforts for the Indian Army, paramilitary organizations and civil agencies. Parade Adjutant, Flight Lieutenant Naman Sharma. Number 1 Squadron, commanded by Squadron Leader Sagar Gaur. Number 2 Squadron, commanded by Squadron Leader Vinita Ganju. The Nishan Toli, led by Squadron Leader Shivangi Rajawat. Number 3 Squadron, commanded by Squadron Leader Rajanveer Benipal. Number 4 Squadron, commanded by Squadron Leader Praveen Kumar. The high-value induction and upgradation of legacy equipment in past few months has ensured that we gain substantially in technology and capability. It is our individual and collective responsibility to absorb the changes and operationalize rapidly. I urge all air warriors to prepare well and participate wholeheartedly in the various training exercises that are being conducted to enhance our levels of readiness and capability. My compliments to all the commanders and supervisors in the field who have worked admirably in spite of the difficult environment due pandemic and delivered on all our operational goals. I feel proud and honored to lead this great team Indian Air Force.
Military leadership is present here, other than the Air Force there's CDS, General Naravne, as well as the Navy Chief Admiral Karamveer Singh. And we have been talking about the crucial timing of this Air Force Day celebrations. While the military is taking on a belligerent China in Ladakh, these celebrations are extremely important, sending a very strong message that the Indian forces are in complete readiness at all times to take care of any kind of aggression, either from China or from Pakistan. Once again, we'll show you the background where all aspects of Indian Air Force are on display. From AWACS to the Chinook heavy lift transport, helicopter, MiG-29, Akash missile system, the Group advanced flight helicopter, Virat 2000, the Rafale, the Jaguar, the LCA, the 230, C-130J Hercules transport aircraft, all of them in display at this Air Force Day celebration taking place at the Indian Air Base. And it's important to mention that all these assets at some point of time have been used in Ladakh over the last 5 months. Just about to begin is the parade now, any moment from now. And once the parade ends, of course, everybody will wait for the mesmerizing air show that will take place with all these assets flying past the Hindon Air Base. Very, very important and attractive display. It's going to be the Rafale, obviously, is the big attraction, and we've been saying that it's going to be the center of attraction as it makes its debut in the Air Force Day celebrations this year. And now what you can see is the parade has started.
Ladies and gentlemen, when the Air Force colors march past in front of you, please rise in its honor. Uniformed personnel shall salute.
बेटियों एवं सज्जनों, जब निशान टोली आपके सामने से गुजरे तो आप उसके सम्मान में खड़े हो जाएं एवं वर्दीधारी गण सैल्यूट करें।
Will march past the salute chairs and the martial tunes of Vayu Shakti and Northern Border. comprising 5 ALH Mark IV weaponized helicopters approaching from your left in an arrowhead formation. Leading the formation is Group Captain B.K. Sahu, Commanding Officer 116 Helicopter Unit. Rudra formation will be presenting an aerial salute to the Indian Air Force colors.
Then there is one formation called the Globe, which will include the C-17, the MiG-29, and the Mercy fighter aircraft. So these are the kind of formations that will take place. Also, the MiG-21 Bison, which is one of the oldest Air Force's fighter jets, will be part of the air display. Vintage aircraft are the Dakota and the Tiger Hawk. Again, very, very old aircraft that will be part of the assets of the Indian Air Force. And towards the end of the air display will be the mesmerizing Saram helicopters and the RKS Bhaduria, who is seen clearly standing at the dais at this point of time. He will be presenting all those who've been awarded medals for their service in the Indian Air Force for many, many years. And once that ceremony gets over, the air display will start.
Chief of the Air Staff will now award Yuddha Seva Medals, Vayu Sena Medals Gallantry, Vayu Sena Medals, Vishisht Seva Medals and Unit Citations.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अब वायुसेना अध्यक्ष के द्वारा युद्ध सेवा मेडल, वायुसेना मेडल गैलेंट्री, वायुसेना मेडल, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल एवं यूनिट प्रशंसा पत्र प्रदान किए जाएंगे।
Yuddha Seva Medal is awarded for distinguished service of a high order during war, conflict or hostility.
So it was a day to celebrate for the Indian Air Force, and exactly a year since then, nobody knew that the Rafale
Air Vice Marshal Sunil Kashinath Vidhate, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vayu Sena Medal.
तो वायुसेना के लिए आज बेहद खास दिन है। 88वां स्थापना दिवस वायुसेना आज अपना मना रही है और आसमान में